The standard 5-in-1 hot air brush has 3 settings, while the high-speed version has 9 settings. The base of the high-speed version is detachable for cleaning, while the standard version is not. As for the bottom cord, the high-speed version is fixed and non-rotatable, while the standard version can rotate 360 degrees. Press and hold the button, insert the attachment, align the arrow symbol with the lock symbol, and twist it slightly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely installed. To remove it, press the button, twist slightly, and pull it out. The high-speed version's power switch is a button at the bottom. Once plugged in, press it to turn on. It has 3 wind speed settings and 3 temperature settings. The top button controls the cool air function. Press and hold to activate cool air, release to stop. The 6-in-1 version includes 1 more attachment than the 5-in-1 version. The 6-in-1 version comes in 3 packaging options: a white gift box for the standard version and a red gift box or leather case for the high-speed version.
Da waren 1000 Boote und sie hielten auf uns zu. In den Booten waren Männer und Frauen. Ihre Leiber glänzten in der Sonne. Und sie sangen